In this tutorial, I'd like to show you the stage mouse watcher. Now, very similar to the previous other tutorial with the mouse watcher, this does a similar job. However, like the name suggests, this only watches the mouse when you have it in the actual stage output. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've used the output for stage preview rather than putting it on another screen, or else it becomes complicated doing the tutorial. However, this works exactly the same. So there's no modifiers on this, but as you see, as I enter and put my mouse into this stage in this small box, it still works on the principle of 0 to 100 for both horizontal and vertical, which is really cool. You can also select your stages here, so you can define which stage you want to be interactive, which is very, very powerful. However, you get some additional things here. It will actually tell you when you're actually inside the stage, so it'll give you an off and on value, which is really good. So straight away, I can use an actor like toggle, and what this will do is toggle things off and on. So I can turn this video off and on. So when I go out of the stage, it's off, and as soon as my mouse hits 0.1, bang, the video will turn on. Doesn't matter which way I enter, it just says, is my mouse in that stage? So that is really, really cool. I guess you could just use this to fake some interactive kind of media type stuff. I don't know. So let's just disconnect that and turn the video back on. I can do a very similar thing. It's the same result, but it's worth showing you as well. It could just turn the projector off and on. So similar thing, except this time the video continues to play. It's just that you turn the projector off. But that means maybe when your mouse isn't on the stage, you can change the video to something else, or I don't know, use your creativity and do something else. You can also do things like, even though this is giving you an off and on value, you can use it to connect to a random. So what this will do is every time your mouse leaves, even when it goes in and out, it will trigger a random value. This random value could control anything. So let's just go for intensity. So this just means every time my mouse goes in and out of this stage, it's going to trigger a different brightness for the projector. Why you'd want to do that, I don't really know, and it doesn't really matter. This is the beauty of Isadora, you just can. So that's the stage mouse watcher. However, modifiers work the same. Let's use control. So now it's, what this will do is, interestingly, it does still tell you when the mouse is inside, but it doesn't give you any horizontal and vertical positions. What you have to do is hold control now, and now you'll get the positions fed through. So you need to be a bit careful with that one. The inside stage does still show up. Something else I haven't shown you, which is quite good, and I'll just take the modifiers off, is it lets you know whether you left click. So left click triggers here, and it lets you know down and up. Same with right click. So when I right click on the stage, it will give you a trigger for the up and down strokes. So again, could be useful if you want to fake clicking on things inside the stage and you want it to do something. What that does is completely up to you, but it's useful to know. So that is the stage mouse watcher. Similar to mouse watcher, but has a few more additional features and a few more quirks to it.